So on our way back to Slovenia from Croatia, we've taken a little detour into Italy. We're going right along the coast and we found the actual Italian town of Prosecco, the home of Italian sparkling wine. And here we are in the center of their piazza. And this is pretty much it. There's like nothing here. There's like one restaurant and it better serve some damn Prosecco. But hey, it was a fun little detour. Can't go wrong being in Italy, even for the briefest of moments. And there she is with her Prosecco in Prosecco, Italy. Does it taste better drinking it here?
Of course. It is delicious.
It is so freaking simple, but this gnocchi is a million times better than the ones we're eating in Croatia. What a difference it makes to actually be in Italy.